Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to make a Minecraft server for free. First of all, go ahead and open your browser and search for Minecraft as you can see, server. From there, go ahead and click on the first link, minecraft.net, and click on it. Here on this page, you can see this is the official Minecraft page. So what we need to do is to actually go ahead and in here, download, and click on Minecraft server 1.21.8. This version will vary depending on the latest version of Minecraft, so make sure to take note of this. Here I'm going to click on this button, and it will download the Minecraft server for me. Now, once you have done that, make sure to drag your file to the desktop, as you can see, as I have that already. Now, what I need to do is to simply create a new folder, and I'm going to name it Minecraft server. I'm going to drag this in here, and now I'm simply going to open this. Now, as you can see, this is a Java icon. If you didn't have this already, and it doesn't look like this, try to go and open it with and try to search for Java. If this is not an option for you, then simply go to your browser, search for Java, and click on download Java, and simply choose a version from here. You can also go to Java Oracle and download Java for desktop simply from this button. Now, after you finish that, click on the server, double click, and this is an error that should be appearing to you, which means that you need to actually download the Java kit. To do that, you're simply going to click on OK and simply go back to your browser and simply open this. And as you can see here on the Java, we have here the developer enterprise administrators. So you can go with developer downloads, and from here you'll find GDK24, and you can simply go and select for my case Windows, and I'm going to download the latest version, which is this one. Then I'm simply going to wait for it to be downloaded on PC, and after that we should drag it to our desktop so we can find the full solution. So we simply have to wait a little bit. It doesn't take that much. Of course, if you have much different OS systems, so the operating system you do have different than me, which is for example macOS or Linux, simply make sure to download one of those. Now here, which is the GDK, I'm going to drag it here, and as you can see, this is the file. Now how can we make it work? So we simply have to, sorry guys, don't install this one, but install the installer. I have by accident downloaded the compressed archive, so download this one, and then here go ahead and just simply install the installer, click on yes, and this should be working for you guys as well. Here we're going to repair the installation, click on next, and simply wait for the installation to be done. It will take few seconds, few minutes depending on your PC performance, but usually it wouldn't last that long. You're simply gonna wait a little bit and it's gonna be done in a few minutes. So I'm gonna be back right after it finishes. Now it is finally finished, so what I'm going to do is to reopen the folder, and as you can see here, the server should be working without any problems. So now the files will be generated for us. Now I'm simply going to wait a little bit more because the files are not fully loaded, and here we go. So now at this point you will have to go through a little bit of things. So if I try to click on the server here, and as you can see, it will launch a little bit, so let me just wait until it finishes. But there's not much things that will appear. We need to actually go here to this OLA file and make sure to read their agreement, and we should agree to their OLA. And then once this is done, I'm gonna change this to true and click on save like this, and as you can see now we can launch the server program without any problems, and this should be working for us. This should be taking a few seconds, and the word should be generated, and this file should be open for us, as you can see right here. Now there is a couple of things that we need to take in consideration. Is we need to go to the server properties and change a little bit of things in case we wanted the server to be fully functioning. So let's do this before we launch our server. So I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna go and edit it with Notepad++, and I'm gonna allow a couple of things. In here you can change it. For example, you can change from here the number of players, you can change all the things that you need. For example, wrong password. Here you can go ahead and force game mode, for example creative. Here you can find allow flights, allow nether, give OPs, to change the difficulty from here, allow the command block, and so much go on. Once you are done with the settings, go ahead and launch your server, as you can see right here, and this should be it. So let me just close everything else that we don't need, and we're simply gonna wait for the server to open. As you can see like this, prepare Revel, and this is the server launched. So let's launch the Minecraft now on this version. As you can see guys, now I am on Minecraft and I am on the multiplayer bar. You can go through it by clicking on multiplayer, then go ahead and click add server, and the server address is going to be simply local host, then click on done, and then you can connect to the server, as simple as that. So now here we go, we are on the server, and as you can see the server works without any problems because you are the one who is hosting it. As you can see, this is the blocks, and yeah, we simply have to give it a little bit of time to load and it's going to be as good as a new server. So thank you guys a lot for watching and see you in the next video.